primers really work? Do we need to add an extra step to all the stuff we already do to try to help our makeup stay on, to try to stay youthful? It looks like glue. It's so clear as day, and look at how much product is still left. Oh my goodness gracious. What do you think? Just buy one bottle of this. It changes the whole game of taking something that's supposed to be translucent and light to like full coverage, which that is insane to me, how a clear formula can grab it and make it full coverage. But it did. Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Remember, you are original. You are original. I love you. Love yourself. God loves you. Just own it. You know what? All your quirks, all your little things, all the things that you're like, oh, I don't let people know this. I don't let people see my nerdy side. I'm shy in public or whatever it is. Just own it. Love yourself because I love you and God loves you.